In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Lovable project to Cursor in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in to make this transition as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your project on lovable.dev. This platform is where all your code currently resides, and we're going to prepare it for transfer. You'll see the familiar interface you've been working with. Look to the top right corner and notice the GitHub icon. Give it a click. If you haven't connected your GitHub account yet, don't worry. Simply follow the authorization prompts that pop up. It's a straightforward process that ensures Lovable can communicate with your GitHub repositories. Once you've successfully connected, you'll have the option to transfer your project to your GitHub account. Select this option, and what essentially happens is that a new repository gets created in your GitHub account. This step is crucial because it sets up a two-way sync between Lovable and GitHub, ensuring that your code remains consistent across both platforms. With the project now safely housed in GitHub, you'll then need to copy the repository URL. This URL is the key that will link everything together as we move on to the Cursor application. Now, it's time to open the Cursor AI application on your computer. It's the new home for your project, designed to give you expanded code control and flexibility. On the Cursor homepage, or through the File menu if you prefer, you'll find an option labeled Clone Repo or Clone from GitHub URL. Click on that to proceed to the next step. In the designated field, paste that GitHub repository URL you copied earlier from lovable.dev. This action tells Cursor where to pull the code from. You'll then need to choose a local folder on your computer to store all the project files. Think of this as setting up a workspace. Pick a location that's organized and easy for you to access. Once you've selected the folder, go ahead and click Open to initiate the cloning process. What happens next is that all your code files will be downloaded and copied to your local machine. This means you now have an offline backup and a convenient way to make edits directly on your computer. And there you have it. Your Lovable project is now fully migrated to Cursor AI, giving you complete control to make any changes you wish right from your desktop. You can benefit from Cursor's robust features to enhance your coding experience. Take some time to explore its functionalities, and make sure to sync regularly with GitHub to keep your project up to date. Thanks for following along, and happy coding.